Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening up some packs from, what's it called? Let's see, the app. This is the first one, TOPPS Kick. Okay, so this is my club. Wait, what the? Okay, so this is my club. Why is it doing this? Okay, so this is my club so far. I'm not going to show you all of them because I have a lot. So yeah, okay, let's go to the store. Open one of these packs. 3,000. And we're getting the pack. Okay, we got it. Alright, we got Martin DeRune. That's his ratings right there. Virgil von Dijk. Okay. Oh. Okay. I can't pronounce that name, but sorry. If you know his name, like if you could pronounce it and like space out the letters, you could do that in the comments below. That would be helpful. Eric Bailey. Nathan Redmond. Granite Xhaka, I think that's how you pronounce it. Got Joshua King. We got Virgil Van. Oh, okay, we got another one of him. Wahby. I'm gonna have so much trouble pronouncing that. Here's his ratings. Victor Fischer, I think that's how I do it. Got, okay, whatever that says. Those are his ratings. Danny Ings. And that's all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe below. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.